See you next time. Hey man, you catching anything down there? Hey, what you got? You catch a snook? You got a snook? What you got, ballyhoo? I don't know. Catching sharks out here? Sharks in the water. Buongiorno, my friends. Buongiorno. This is Naked Bike Mike, back with you again. And we're out here with the Henry Hagg Lake loop. I'm gonna do a loop of this while I talk about what I got going on my handlebars. You can see it's a lot of stuff going on. We got from left to right, starting at the left. Left? Yes, that's my left. Left, right, left. A left. We got the quad lock mount for my Galaxy phone. First time I've had a phone mount on my motorcycles, any of my motorcycles. Never really trusted them that much, but this one seems to be pretty solid, pretty secure. The mountain bike, man, I'm doing mountain biking. I think it's sidetracked. I'm coming out here at the Henry Hagg Lake because this is where I ride my mountain bike a few times. There's some nice trails out here. It's nice, you know, nothing too extreme. Just kind of when you go out for a nice leisurely mountain bike ride, it's nice to get some miles out here. So that's where we're at. So anyway, left to right with anyways, which we go. We got the contraption. We got the dueling GoPros on the right side there, as you can see. Is on the front I got the Hero 7, and on the back I got the Session. And the Session, it only goes up to 1080p, so that's what we're doing with that. The front, the Hero 7, I got the ND16 filter on it. Hopefully that works out good. Okay, I'm recording that. I got that one in 4K, which my computer doesn't like. It takes forever because I got an old dinosaur of a computer, but it works. And then on my face, I got the new Hero 9 with the media mod, and plugged into the back is the Purple Panda microphone. And hopefully it sounds good. I did some testing in my house with my helmet on, so it's not real world testing, but just trying to see what the sound, the audio quality of my voice, which I know is annoying, but hey, that's where we're at. And it sounded pretty good, so hopefully it works out when I do this loop here on an early Sunday morning. It's a nice road. This is the first time I've ridden on it on my motorcycle. I've been out here, like I said, doing my mountain biking. And I just park over at the very beginning entrance area, and I get on the bike, and the trail goes back around the lake over on this side. I think it comes out here, and you got to get on the road and get back into the woods. But I've never ridden my motorcycle out here, and it's pretty nice. Especially like here, early on a Sunday morning. I'm easy like a Sunday morning. Yeah. Ooh. And it's no vehicles. I haven't seen one yet. So it's a nice curvy road. And I like it so far. I don't know if I'll do it, the whole video will be just the road, if the whole thing. Put in the comments below, hey, my video's too long, if you even want to comment. Are they too short? I doubt that. I find it very difficult for myself. Oh yeah. gravel here, a little bit of gravel. I find it difficult for myself to put together anything less than as I go all over the road, up the hill, down the hill. It's hard to put together a short video because my talking, I just talk too much and I never stay on topic. So I just go all over the place, winding around, and I find it hard. This is so hard. This is so hard for me the bridge ices before the road. Thanks for that information. I find it hard to get any thoughts out, as you can tell right there. $35. I got the bugs on the visor. I don't know, I think I stopped. Did I stop? Did I go? Did I keep talking about that? I don't know what I did. What did I do? I can't remember 5 minutes ago. Oh yeah, I remember this. I remembered something. I went to go mount the Hero 9 on my helmet this morning, getting everything set up, and I found out, I was like, first of all, with the media mod, you can only go in from one side on the thumb screw thing, because it's got a little indentation where the thumb screw can fit. You can't get it on the other side, so you have to have the mounting in a certain way. So at first I was like, since I just woke up and I'm sitting there thinking, oh man, what am I gonna do now? I got the whole thing set up on the left side or right side of my face. The mount's coming over this way with the thing, and I got the thing going this way. I got to put it in this way, and I couldn't think straight. I was aggravated at the fact I had to screw with it. I just wanted to mount it, get on the bike, and go. I didn't want to have to sit here or sit there and try to sit there and change the mounting and figure out this and that. And so I said, wait a minute, all I got to do, all I have to do is flip it. Flip the little thing. I gotta flip the thing. This thing here on the bottom, the little extension part, all I had to do was flip it so I could put it in the other way. So, man, that's not rocket science. Rocket science. I'm not a rocket scientist. But I figured it out. I got to work. And then also after I did that, where the thumb screw goes in, it was hitting the top of one of the other nuts on one of the other pieces. So I was like, what am I gonna do there? I was like, hey, I remember from just a minute ago, I could flip it. I could flip it. So I flipped that one too. I flipped two of the chips. Flipped the chip the tip, and it worked out. I did have to use a screwdriver though to get it tight, because with the media mod you don't have much. If you see like other people doing the reviews on the media mod, the thumb screw kind of hits the case once you start getting it tight, and it's hard to get the tightness that you want for the so it doesn't move. You don't want to move. You don't want to move. So I screwed it up with a screwdriver. Not really, but I screwed it tight. I did it with this too, because this stuff here, you got all these different adapters and things, and lot of vibration on the handlebars, so gotta make sure it's tight. What's going on here? I'm liking this road. I see why people say go out here and ride your motorcycle. It's a nice little loop with very little side action. The action on the sides is limited, especially early in the morning. Even though I'm riding right into the sun and I'm blinded by the lights. I'm blinded. But this is all this whole thing is a test. Another test. I do tests all the time, and the whole setup with the 3 GoPros is just kind of a thing right now. I don't know if I'm going to use it every time. It's a lot of data. It's a lot of data to capture. Oh, I just freaked out. I just freaked out because I was like, where's my phone? I thought my phone was in my pocket. And I was like, hey, I don't feel it. I don't feel it. And guess what? There it is. It's right there. So hey, open your eyes. Get used to the fact that the phone is not on your person. The phone is now attached to the handlebars. And I don't know what, I mean, I don't know what good it's doing me. I mean, it's blank, it's a blank screen. Hey, right on. I'm losing it. I think I'm gonna pull over. Here's some pictures. Naked Bike Mike. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll see you next time here on Naked Bike Mike's channel. Click the like, click the subscribe if you want to see more great stuff. I'm here for you. Let me know in the comments what you want to see. You got questions about my bike, questions about what I got going on here, I will answer them quickly and efficiently. Now the cars are starting to pile up. So we'll see you next time. Here. Should I wait for this truck? I'm going to wait for the truck. Yes, we do. Arrivederci, ciao, and goodbye, my friends. We'll see you next time. Here. We'll do a reverse loop. Let's reverse it. Flip it. Reverse it. Why not? Why not? Why not? Cross the other way. Cross the other way. I'm damming it on the dam. The dam. I don't know what this dam is here for. I guess if this dam was not here, all this water would be down there.